How many accused were put up for trial?
3.
What happened to third one?
He was absconding. His case was trial was separated.
Separated. Okay.
Separated.
So no judgment against him as yet.
Your Lord.
Okay. What is the conviction and resultant sentence to remaining two appellants?
Conviction under section 376 2G. Oblique
376 2D.
G.
2G.
G. Oblique 34 IPC. Life imprisonment and fine of rupees 20,000, your Lordship. Altogether 7 prosecution witnesses.
Yes.
PW1.
No, instead of going to PW1, Koshali Devi is the
informant.
Victim of the crime in
Victim
question?
and informant also. हमारा नाम कोसली देवी, जॉजे कैलाश मुखिया, साकिन प्रेमही, थाना ठकराहा, भित्तिहा, जिला पश्चिम चंपारण तथा मैं एक भारतीय महिला हूँ। हम आज दिनांक 18/4/2001 दिन बुधवार को उस समय जख्मी हालत में आप भित्तिहा ओपी के दरोगा जी के समक्ष शामिल अपने पिता चंद्रदेव बिन एवं ससुर सतन मुखिया के बयान देती हूँ कि बीते रात्रि दिनांक 17/4/2001 को खाना खाकर अपने प्रेमही स्थित डेरा में सपरिवार सोई थी कि करीब 11 बजे रात्रि में मेरे ही गांव के नरेश यादव, पेशर हरिहर यादव, अपने 2 साथी हीरा यादव, पेशर भोज यादव, साकिन मुड़ाडी, सुरेश यादव, पेशर चतुरी यादव, साकिन बेड़हा, सभी थाना ठकराहा, जिला पश्चिम चंपारण मेरे घर में प्रवेश कर गए तथा मेरे पिता चंद्रदेव बिन को लाठी से मारपीट करने लगे, जिससे उन्हें दाहिना घुटना के पास एवं दाहिना हाथ के उंगली में चोट लगा और वे चिल्लाने लगे। इस पर मैं उन्हें बचाने गई तो तीनों व्यक्ति मुझे भी लाठी से मारपीट किए तथा मुझे जबरदस्ती खींचकर घर के पश्चिम उत्तर खरई की ओर ले जाने लगे। जब मैं हल्ला की तो मेरा मुंह दबाकर तीनों मिलकर खरई में ले गए और तीनों व्यक्ति बारी बारी से मेरे साथ नाजायज किए, जिससे मैं अर्ध बेहोशी की हालत में हो गई तथा वहीं पर बेसुध होकर पड़ी।
खरई? What is mean by खरई?
खरई is a place which is not cultivated, but some grass and all kind of
this
things
place
are
is outside the house means?
outside the house.
So front yard, backyard type place, Kharai means?
No, your lordship, it is
Uncultivated land.
uncultivated land with big grasses growing over there. Riverside area. बेसुध होकर पड़ी रही, तब मेरे परिवार वाले खोजबीन करते हुए वहां पहुंचे और मुझे उठाकर घर लाए। इस घटना को अगल बगल के नथुनी बिन, पेशर कमल बिन, हीरालाल यादव, पेशर श्यामलाल यादव वगैरह जानते हैं, जो पूछने पर बताएंगे। घटना का कारण पूर्व दुश्मनी है। मारपीट से मुझे पीठ, बाह एवं नाक में चोट लगा है।
When she was taken to the hospital?
Next day.
Next
day by the police.
What is the medical evidence?
Medical evidence, the doctor is PW5.
PW5, yes. She was not taken to the hospital on 18th. Few days thereafter. Anyway. Yes, what do you want?
मारपीट से मुझे पीठ, बाह एवं नाक में चोट लगा है तथा मेरे गुप्तांग में दर्द काफी हो रहा है। यही हमारा बयान है। हम अपना बयान पढ़वाकर अपने देवर राजेंद्र बिन के समक्ष सुन व समझ लिया तथा सही लिख पा अपने दाहिने अंगूठे का निशान बना दिया।
Yeah. Whether you have checked whether this type copy is as per record or not?
Your lordship,
compare type copy with your certificate must be there.
Though my juniors they have verified, but I have not verified. So
if that is so, then where is true copy? certificate that this is true copy. Suppose some material part of the deposition is omitted
Your Lord.
and we go by that deposition without it being certified by you, how we will consider this as correct deposition?
I'll
Because
verify
the,
it tomorrow. I'll-
deposition of PW3, nowhere it is mentioned that further cross-examination is deferred. And you are pointing out something in the judgment wherein it is stated that
Your Lordship.
look at page number 28 of your paper book.
My submission was from the judgment itself. The court
So
below
check
has
with
also.
the record
I'll verify
and
it.
certify these paper books are correct copies.
Your Lord.
Procedure is to compare the type copies with original.
That has
certify
been
it
done.
as
That
true
has been
copies.
done. But this I have pointed. This is to be verified because in judgment there
No,
is
everything
something
is
else.
to be verified because lurking doubt creeps in our mind that each and every page may not be correct. One mistake and then it causes suspicion that nothing is correct as per record.
Your Lordship, that's there.
This is criminal trial.
Yeah,
Suppose, I am not telling about you. Somebody omits vital part of the evidence in typing and we act upon such uncertified paper books.
Yeah,
What will happen? There must be something to bind the concerned advocate that does under his signature we are acting upon that
Your Lord.
document.